yathi i-Chiefs itakuhlekisa yabona i-Chiefs itakuhlekisa blind. I-Chiefs won 5 games in a row, right? They won 5 games in a row. In that 5 games bashaye iMagesi twice, right? Bashaya TS Galaxy, the current TX Galaxy, which is not in their best form. Bashaya abantwana besikolo i-Orbits College. Then bashaya bashaya Durban City, right? Then all of a sudden on social media they were out there calling for Bayern, that they are now too big for EPSL, they want to play Bayern. But it didn't take Bayern to expose them. They went to old Peter Mokaba Stadium and we almost witnessed the chicken mad.